Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? So I did a video about a week ago and I said you're either part of the problem or part of the solution, and this guy and his family want to be part of the solution. So about a week ago, my son, who married, obviously lives out of the house, said, why don't we start making face masks and giving them away to the sick people that we know? So this guy goes to the fabric store like 3 days ago. I bought a whole bunch of material. Now, some of you may say face masks don't work. I don't know if they do or they don't, but in the link below, or in the description box below, I'm going to put 2 links. Take a look at it. If you want to make your own masks, feel free. This is the information that we got from the internet. And I don't know, there's a man that we know that has respiratory problems. He's in a wheelchair and he's paralyzed. He wants some masks. So we want to be part of the solution and not part of the problem. But I got to admit, I was cutting my grass today and I just happened to have this shirt on. I come inside, Mrs. Crypto Mentor says, here, try this on. I'm like, well, that's weird. I've got my green St. Patrick's Day shirt on. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. I hope everybody's doing well. I'm going crazy inside. I was outside doing some yard work, moving some logs, keeping my social distance. Anyhow, love you all. Crypto Mentor 99. Don't forget to wash your hands. Bye-bye.